Welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast. I'm Derek. This is episode 10 of our series, Mastering Gratitude with 4 Bodies. We have traveled from the internal self to the cosmos. Today, we bring that energy back down to earth to address a topic that affects us all, money and financial abundance. In the spiritual community, money is often treated as a taboo or a source of stress. But in the BodyMaitre system, we view money simply as energy. It is a tool for exchange created by human agreement. When we hold tension, fear, or guilt in our 4 bodies regarding money, we block the natural flow of abundance. Today's meditation is not about getting rich quick. It is about neutralizing the emotional charge around money so you can receive it, hold it, and circulate it with peace. Find a comfortable position where you feel safe. Let's align with the flow. Before we begin, let us gently create a safe and supported space. I invite your higher self, the wisdom of your soul, and the universal intelligence aligned with balance, flow, and the highest good to be present with us now. Please surround this space with protection. Support this meditation with grounding, clarity, and neutrality. Allow only energies aligned with truth, integrity, and free will to participate. You don't need to feel abundant. You don't need to change your financial situation right now. Just allow this moment to be held and supported. Now allow yourself to arrive. Money can carry many emotions: hope, tension, fear, desire, or neutrality. Whatever your relationship with money is, it is welcome here. You don't need to feel grateful yet. You don't need to pretend everything is fine. Just allow yourself to be present. Bring your attention to the natural rhythm of the breath. Notice how it flows in and flows out without effort. Feel the physical body being supported by the chair, the floor, the ground beneath you. Let the body soften enough to feel safe around this topic. Now notice the emotional space around money. Perhaps there is pressure, tightness, or guardedness. Perhaps there is hope or exhaustion. There is no need to analyze it. Allow the emotional body to soften slightly, knowing it does not need to defend itself right now. Thoughts may arise, numbers, plans, concerns, memories. There is no need to solve anything. For this moment, the mind does not need to manage money. It only needs to allow a new relationship with flow. Now gently invite your higher self forward, the part of you that understands cycles, exchange, and natural balance. Silently or out loud, you may say, I invite my higher self to activate the frequency of gratitude that my soul has already mastered around receiving, holding, and circulating money. Allow this gratitude to flow now into my physical body, my emotional body, my mental body, and my spiritual body, not as effort but as remembrance. From this grounded space, we turn our awareness toward the source of money itself. Not money as stress, not money as lack, but money as movement, exchange, and flow of value. Money is not separate from life. It moves through systems, skills, services, and support. Now, gently acknowledge the ways money has entered your life. Silently or out loud, you may say, thank you to all sources of income in my life. Thank you for active income, for work, effort, and time exchanged. Thank you for salary and wages, for consistency and structure. Thank you for business income, for creativity and initiative. Thank you for passive and residual income, for support that continues beyond effort. Thank you for investment income, for growth over time. Thank you for rental income, royalties, and all other forms that support my life. Even if some sources feel small or inconsistent, allow gratitude to acknowledge that flow has existed. Now bring awareness to the forms money takes. Physical money, cash, coins, digital money, numbers on a screen, bank transfers, online systems. Silently or out loud, you may say, thank you to physical money that moves hand to hand. Thank you to digital money that flows through systems and networks. Thank you for the structures that allow exchange across distance and time. Allow neutrality to replace tension around money's form. Now, gently turn inward to the abilities you carry, skills learned, talents developed, knowledge gained, experience earned. Silently or out loud, you may say, thank you to my skills and talents. Thank you to my ability to create value. Thank you to what I have learned, what I can offer, and how I contribute. Even if you doubt your worth, allow gratitude to acknowledge that something in you has been valuable enough to receive exchange. Now, acknowledge another important aspect, the ability to use money. Silently or out loud, you may say, thank you for my ability to use money. Thank you for choosing how to spend, how to allocate, and how to circulate resources. Thank you for the ability to support myself, support others, and support life through exchange. Allow gratitude to release guilt, fear, or over-control around spending. Money is meant to move. Now gently invite universal and angelic support. Silently or out loud, you may say, I invite universal and angelic intelligence to integrate gratitude for money, income, skills, and circulation into all four bodies. Please allow my relationship with money to align with clarity, balance, and natural flow. Let money meet me without fear, without force, and without unnecessary struggle. Notice how gratitude changes the body's response to money. Not excitement, not pressure, just steadiness. You don't need to chase abundance. You don't need to reject desire. Just allow your system to recognize flow as safe. This gratitude is now known to your physical body as stability. It is known to your emotional body as ease. It is known to your mental body as trust in exchange. And it is known to your spiritual body as alignment with value and flow. This frequency is gently sealed across all four bodies. When you're ready, begin to sense the space around you, the room, the sounds, the body resting here. Carry this gratitude with you into how you earn, how you receive, and how you use money. Money does not respond to fear, it responds to clarity and circulation. When gratitude replaces tension, flow finds you more easily. You can return to this space anytime your relationship with money feels heavy or tight. The source of abundance has always been connected to you. Thank you for joining me for this important session. Money is often the last place we think to apply spirituality, but it is often where we need it most. When you can look at your bank account with the same gratitude you feel for nature or a loved one, you have truly mastered the BodyMaitre way. We have now covered almost every aspect of existence. In our next and final episode of this series, episode 11, we will bring everything home to the most important relationship of all, We will conclude with gratitude to the self. This will be the final integration of all the work we have done. Please subscribe to the BodyMaitre channel so you don't miss the season finale. I'm Derek, and I will see you in the final episode.